A bottle and a promise both have gone. A trail of sins I walked too long. I don't lie, but I don't confess. I wear my truth like a bloodstained vest. I'm made of bone and whiskey bread. I dance with fate and flirt with death. No saints, no prayer, no peace to keep. Just a man who don't fear what's buried deep. The fire's low, but I still burn. Took my hits, never wait my turn. The wolves don't bite 'cause I don't run. I blink slow, I load my gun. Give me night over grace. Give me storms I can't face. I'm made of bone and whiskey. Don't cry for me. I was never meant for eternity. I'm made of bone and whiskey breath. I dance with fate and flirt with death. No saints, no prayer, no peace to keep. Just a man who don't fear what's buried deep. I walked through towns where time stood still, where every silence had a kill. My coat's worn thin, my name's worn out, but my shadow's loud, and it don't doubt. You can shine your shoes, polish your pride, but the dust knows where you tried to hide. Dust don't lie, and neither do I. You can run fast, but you can't deny what clings to your soul when the wind blows dry. 'Cause the dust don't lie, and neither do I. The graves don't speak, but they sure know who left clean and who sank low. I walk like truth, cracked but straight, and I carry stone